Camping coolers replacement parts. Top reviews from the United States. Sort of works on older models 5286B, 5296, 5248. Fits plastic Coleman from early 2000s with minor modifications. Label on bottom of cooler shows model 5286B, with 5296 and 5248 printed next to it. I could not find a hinge for those model numbers. Product came in Coleman-brand plastic bag. Two holes did not line up correctly, but since this hinge is plastic, it was easy to use a round file and enlarge the holes slightly to make the screws work. No complaints about this product since there doesn't seem to be any other hinges out there that are made for the above models.